you're better if you lean that way and put that arm in, but lean with
I'm
you.
not holding that. So I need
Well, I can put my knee there for you. Oh, I see. Okay. That's why you looked awkward. Nothing to do with the position of the camera. It's because you're doing that. You look a bit awkward. That if that elbow's down a bit, down.
The camera's sunk.
What?
The camera's not square, is it?
Can't you put that elbow down there?
No.
Okay, put it over there. You just look really awkward. Is it going?
Yes.
Disgusting.
I think it's sunk.
Oh,
Oh, that's stinged.
You're making the tea now for that.
Right.
I hope you can't see my paper now.
Move your leg, that's simple. Down there, for now. Just tell me, we're going to have to do loads of takes.
Why?
Because we're rubbish.
No, no, I'm not rubbish.
Right.
Sorry. Hey? Did you have it on before? Did you have it on before?
No, yeah, I did have it. Ow!
You've changed your t-shirt as well.
I changed the t-shirt because I've got Chateau Caillac.
You need to make sure you can see your eyes, love.
Oh, you have to see.
Okay. Are you ready?
No,
Thank you. I know, but I don't want to see the paper. Okay.
Yeah, put that in there.
I'm Angela.
And I'm Steve. And together we own this beautiful chateau in southwest France.
I love all things vintage and I adore looking around brocants to find beautiful things to fill the rooms and to decorate them.
And I like making and fixing things, which is quite a good job really with the amount of broken things that